Oh shoot.
It is truly a hidden gem.
This must be G14 classified.
Are you dying? I just wanted to see. $14,000.
We see it now, so bye.
I'm just so excited. What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here, and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay, so today is all about mid-century modern finds, according to me. Now that's a disclaimer because if I'm honest, it can be confusing. I looked up what mid-century modern design is defined as, and I got things like minimalist, mixing different materials and aesthetics, like wood, marble, metal, a fusion of indoor and outdoor, yada yada yada.
Hey, be clear.
Maybe it's just me, but mid-century modern design can kind of pull Scandinavian too. So then I looked up the difference between those two, and apparently, Scandinavian uses more natural materials, where mid-century modern uses more man-made. So
we different from night and day, but we the same, but we do shit different.
like, I guess I get it, but all these rules, like, that's exactly why I just mix and match to my liking, because ain't no way.
Ain't no way.
Now, I will say I have had this book for quite some time, and it does help me understand mid-century modern design a little bit better. Tons of inspo, and I always reference places like Gallery Half, which is one of my ultimate favorites over on Instagram. They just, oh my gosh, the looks, they kill it every time. So today's pieces are ones that will fit into those kind of spaces, whether or not they're truly defined as mid-century modern. Now, this first piece was found strictly by accident. No lie. No one recommended it. I've never seen it before. It was on Amazon, and it is truly a hidden gem.
Oh, I see. This must be G14 classified.
Are you dying? Like, so good. You guys probably saw this in my last video. It was back here on my bookshelf, but y'all, I had been waiting to tell you guys about this. It is just, oh, what really got me was this double blade structure. Chef's kiss. There's this vintage lamp that I see all the time over on Gallery Half, and I've seen it in other spaces as well, and it's stunning. Okay, it has those sharp edges, it's brass, it's just, it's simple, but it's simple, but it's complex. It's by Kai, this person, and it looks amazing, styled solo or with other pieces. So I went to go look up what that would cost me. I just wanted to see, you know, if I wanted to purchase and put in my home. Y'all, $14,000.
We see it now, so bye.
Yeah, that's a small fortune. So by using this, I can channel some of those vibes without the high price tag. This was only $19. I think it's gone up to $24 at this point. I'll link it down below. Like I said, it's from Amazon, and it's just, I love the copper. It's so different from any piece I have here in my home. It has some distressing on it, and it kind of looks tarnished in some areas, which I like because it kind of gives that vintage feel, you know? And it's just these clean curves for me. Like, and you could change the finish on this. If you're not digging the copper, you can totally make it brass, get some rub and buff, and just kind of go to town, make it look a little bit more like the lamp. Or you can just keep it as it is, which is what I plan on doing because I think it's stunning. Either way, it's a win. Now, wood is a huge part of mid-century modern design, no doubt. Clean lined wood, curvy wood. Wait.
That's what she said.
Y'all get it. So when I saw these candle holders in Homegoods, instant purchase, okay? They were only $8. Now they're actually by Now they're actually by Tommy Bahama, so I don't know if they're supposed to pull coastal, beats me, but they look way more mid-century modern to me. These look like they'll fit right into the spaces I've been telling you guys about, like wood, those layers, like, oh my gosh, so good. They have a space for a taper candle here at the top, and whether I put candles in them or not, they're going to be amazing to style with, like alone or lit. The ones I got happen to be different shades of wood, which I actually love. They're sisters, not twins. I just can't get over the detail of these. Like, easily give texture and shape to a flat or minimal space. They really feel like little pieces of the base of this table that I thought was stunning. I saw the other day. I'll put a picture up on the screen so you guys can see it. I'm just so excited. I'm just so excited I found them. So yeah, like I said, $8, couldn't beat it. Now brace yourself, because this next piece will have you shook, okay? Now before I get into it, it is a lamp, and if you've been here for a while, you know my obsession with them. And you might be saying, I think you should slow down on the lamps. Well,
I think you should go over there and count something.
this one was way too good to pass up, okay? I mean, are you kidding? Now this is from Homegoods, and it was only $40.
$40?
Yes, $40. So I couldn't pass it up, like I said. I mean, that would have been a crime, okay? The shape really got me. It's so clean lined, and the shade, you can actually move it however you want to, whether you want it down or you want it kind of angled up. Love that for me. You just, oh yeah, you can tighten the little bolt or loosen it. Wait, don't piss me off. Here we go. We're just gonna keep it like, no, let's bring it down a little bit. About right there. Boom. Yeah. Dang, I probably should have taken, I gotta remember to take these tags off, because this is definitely not going back. Anyway, like I was saying, I love a lamp that leans. I actually have, I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but this right here is a lamp that I got a couple years ago on Amazon. Funny enough, it's actually considered mid-century modern. I didn't know it at the time. I just thought it was a dope lamp. And it's actually a dupe of this lamp that I've seen in a couple of my coffee table books, in spaces I've seen on Pinterest. It honestly, no matter what your design style, I feel like that lamp would fit. It was out of stock for quite a while when I shared it a couple years ago, but it's actually come back. I will link it down below. Like I said, you can get it from Amazon, or you can find the real thing. I don't know what the real lamp is called. Y'all can do the research. But anyway, like I was saying, I love a leaning lamp, and I didn't know this was actually a dupe until I got it home. Like I said, I initially got it because duh, okay? But when I got it home, I did some research, and it actually is a dupe of the Kelly Wearstler Clio lamp. Yeah, that one is gonna run you $550 or up. Like I said, this was only $40. Now, of course, the original, the brass is way more high quality, and the sphere that's here, hey, that rhymed.
Bars.
This sphere on the original is actually marble. This one is not, okay? But that honestly, it doesn't bother me because I'm gonna refinish this anyway, okay? So I'm gonna get some rub and buff, and I'm gonna make this pale gold situation more of a golden brassy finish, kind of like the original, because this one is very pale and very it can look a little cheap. And I actually went to Lowe's and got some paint samples. Well, not paint samples, paint swatches, like the little paper thingies, you know? So yeah, I got all these, and as soon as I find out which color I want, we're gonna add some baking soda, create like a chalky finish on this lamp to make it look a little more old, just because I feel like, because this is so clean and modern looking, the old plastery flaky type finish would be a good juxtaposition. We're gonna kind of recreate the texture that I've been so obsessed with. I'll show you guys on the screen, and yeah, I think that's gonna be dope. Can't wait. Last but not least is this amazing side table. Yeah, I like it.
I like you a lot.
Now, like I told you guys in the beginning of this video, this is mid-century modern finds according to me. Case in point, I'm not sure if this is actually considered mid-century modern, but I feel like it'll fit perfectly with the pieces in gallery have in an actual mid-century modern home, or any other space for that matter. So it was a win either way. Originally, I got it because I just love how brass looks up against Viola Calcutta marble. Like, you guys have seen my marble table here in my filming room, and I just needed, well, I wanted a little table to sit on the side of my couch, and I just thought this would be perfect to sit over here for styling and function and kind of complement that marble. Oh, I'm so excited. Now, I love that, of course, it's brass, but it's not so precious where you don't feel like you can put anything on it, if that makes sense. It has, I left the tag on here so I remember how much it cost. It was $60, so just ignore that. But it has some distressing on it. Okay, light. I'll show you guys on the side because, yeah, y'all know my situation. It has some distressing here on the top and on the base, which, let's get into the base because the shape, oh my gosh, so good. It's clean but curved, and it has some layers to it. And I also love that it's not super heavy. I can move this around whether I want it in here, in my bedroom, in my living room, in the bathroom if I need something to sit something on, you know? So, I mean, it was only $60. Like, I feel like that was a pretty good price, right? Right. Okay, guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I am so excited about this haul. This is actually one of my favorites of this year, and I hope you guys can get your hands on some of those pieces. Like I said, I will for sure leave the link for that where is it? This sculpture down below in the description box, and I will link the mid-century modern coffee table book that I showed you guys. It has tons of inspo. Such a good one. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health, and I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.